What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2011 Lincoln MKX. This MKX has the 3.7 liter V6 motor, and we're going to be replacing the vapor canister purge valve solenoid. So the symptoms that we're having with this vehicle is the check engine light's on. It's throwing code P0456, which is a small evap leak. The other issue we're having is filling it up with gas. After filling it up and you go to start it, it starts a little rough. Once it gets going, it's fine, but there's just a hesitation when starting it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this purge valve. I have my new one here. We picked this one up online for about 35 bucks. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find this particular one. And this is an OEM quality one made by Ford. This is exactly what you would get at the dealership. You can see the Ford part number right there. If you're on a little bit more of a budget, you can find cheaper aftermarket ones for probably about half that cost, but we're gonna go with the little higher quality one. Where that's gonna be located on the vehicle is if we take a look at our engine bay and we go up near the firewall, this is going to be that purge valve right here. So the first thing we need to do is remove these two bolts on either side of it. Those two bolts are going to be a 5/16 size bolt. 5/16. So grab a socket and we're gonna remove this one here and this one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those two bolts and then I'll check back in the next shot. Okay, so I just finished taking out those two 5/16 bolts that we looked at in the previous shot from right here and right here. Now what I'm gonna do is remove this connector right here. So there's a little tab in here that you need to press with your finger. And then as you're pressing that, that connector will slide off like that. Once we get that connector off, what I'm gonna do is pick up on this, like this. Then we need to undo this connector right here. So for this part, I'm gonna grab a small pick or even like a small flathead screwdriver will work. You can see this part right here is gonna come over and then push, in this orientation, push down. So that will slide down, and then from the other side you can see it's kind of pushed out like that. Once that tab is pushed out like that, then this will come off, and sometimes they come off a little tougher than that. We'll get that off, get the old one out. Then I'm going to grab my new purge valve right here, and we're gonna reverse everything we just did. So I'm gonna slide this on here like this. Make sure that's pushed all the way on. Then we're gonna reattach that clip by pushing that clip up like that. Then we're gonna insert that little piece that has that blue grommet on it down in its hole like that and push that down. Then we're going to reattach that connector. Just slide that on, make sure that's all the way on. And then the final thing I'm going to do is reinstall those two 5/16 bolts. And I'll do that after the video just to save a little time. But after we get those two bolts tightened down and making sure our connectors are tight, that's it. Not too bad. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.